All right, folks, on page 3 in the notes with example 3. So, label number 1, that's a quadratic. And label number 2, that's a line with a slope I'm not too keen on. And let's go ahead and start by graphing the line. Our y-intercept is -7. We're going to start at -7. And the slope is 3/5. So rise over run. We're going to rise 1, 2, 3, and run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then from this point, to fill out the other side of the graph, I can go down 3 and backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want as many exact points as possible. That way it should make finding that quadratic intersection a bit easier. So there's line number 2. Now it's time for quadratic number 1. Folks, I want you to get as far as you can in 1 minute with finding the axis of symmetry, finding the vertex, and starting your table with at least 5 points. So remember, axis of symmetry first, -b/2a. That gives you the x part of the vertex. Plug in carefully on your calculator. You should get a positive axis of symmetry value, so no parentheses required. And make sure that you are not assuming that you've got those range repeats until you have verified it for one pair. All right, folks, your vertex should be at 2, -5. And that's what the 5 points for your table should look like. So 0, 3, 1, -3, 2, -5. Here's the vertex. 3, -3, and 4, 3. Do I need to go any further with my table? Is it going to touch that line? Not in the real world. So we're going to go ahead and swoosh through those points. Label that quadratic number 1. So what we are going to say is not just no solution, but no real solutions. Because we're going to find that it has imaginary solutions. Folks, how'd we do with that one? Any issues with the calculators? Vertex, axis of symmetry? Alrighty then. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a short homework break. Start working on those problems in the practice set. And then we'll regroup to go on to solving these systems algebraically.